everybody. Well, I don't have any snakes with me right now, but I am going to put a little feeding video in at the end with Amaya. And Amaya joined me today on the live stream actually with TGH, which big thank you. I really enjoyed being a part of it today with Hilljack, David, the Professor, Iron Dog, Zamora, Ed of course, and Rob joined in. I think I got everybody, so forgive me if I missed anybody in that. But I wanted to take just a few minutes to, I guess, Christmas is almost here, and there's going to be a lot of Christmas cheer and Christmas happiness and all of that going on at this time of the year, and on YouTube, and why not? It gives us all an opportunity to wish everybody, a very Merry Christmas and to have a wonderful time. And I guess it's also a time to stop and reflect on your life and your family and your children and what you have. Christmas is about giving, and it's about sharing. It's not about receiving. It's not even about the gifts. It's about family being all together. And for a lot of people, they don't have family. They only have friends. And that's why I feel our community, or even myself, as just somebody that you know on YouTube, but is a friend. And if you ever need a friend, you know where I am. We do our videos and you see what you see. You see me and my snakes and a little bit of my family and my other animals. But we have lives outside of YouTube. Some of it's wonderful, some of it isn't so wonderful. And we don't portray that. We don't always bring that to our videos. We have a face when we do our videos. Our videos are to be about happiness and joy. Well, I think that is what we do. And we do know that isn't the reality of life all of the time. That there's ups and downs. And there is ups and downs. But I'm grateful to be here. And to get text messages as well. To hear from family and friends every day. So just remember to be thankful and grateful for what you have with you right now. And now we'll get to filling little Amaya's belly tonight. She's the only one. I'll be back soon. Okay, here's my little girl, and I'm pretty sure she knows it's, and I should have really had this door open I think she's well aware. Sorry, I've got the tongs in one hand and holding the camera with the same hand and watching her. Like, not good, gay. So you hungry? Well, yeah, I think you are. Now, that is a smaller rat that you can see. Of course, she needs a much bigger rat. And guys, I ran out of her size wieners. But that doesn't mean that I can't feed them, and that what I'm doing is in any way wrong either. So because I had some hoppers there, I have to think, guys, and quite good sized hoppers, which Apani isn't ready yet for, I can give Amaya 2 of these, which will equal to the feed of one of her weaners that I would normally give her. So don't ever go into a panic about, I haven't got the right size feeder and what am I going to do? Guys, if you need to double feed your snake, double feed them. Give them 2 to make up for the size that they actually require. It is not going to hurt them. And it's better to feed them than to say to yourself, oh, it won't matter, they can wait a couple of days till I get to the shop or whatever. Yes, I could have gone bolting down to the shop, I guess, and picked her up a couple. But I had them sitting there. And I bought them when I last went and got feeders, because Apani is growing and she is going to need them. But hey, I needed them tonight for Amaya. I've had a busy day. And yes, my snakes are very, very important to me, but there are other things that sometimes take a priority. And I knew also that I would still be able to feed her. So on that note, guys, while she enjoys her meal, you all take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes, and double feed them if you need to, and all your animals. Ciao.